The Mediterranean is one of the most affordable and effective ways for someone to lose weight. The diet mainly focuses on eating foods of a Mediterranean nature, including plenty of fruits and nuts. However, we all have the occasional sweet tooth, and you might wonder what sweets you can eat on the Mediterranean diet. The modern era has made it possible for us to see sweets differently. Instead of having sweets that are full of sugar, there are plenty of other more natural options. In the Mediterranean diet, you will be focusing on more of these natural sweets and gravitating towards healthier sweets that do not contain as many different sugars. The goal of the following video is to help you see which sweets you can choose. There are many of them to ensure you don't need to suffer during your diet. These will ensure you retain your low-calorie count as well. However, most of them are packed full of vitamins and nutrients that will aid in losing weight and staying in shape. 5 sweets or snacks you can eat on the Mediterranean diet. If you have this consistent craving for something sweet, the following items are what you should consider. As mentioned, many of them are packed full of healthy vitamins and minerals, which means they will keep you healthy. They tend to be low on the GI scale as well, which ensures that insulin is controlled without creating a spike. 1. Dried fruits. One of the most effective ways of getting rid of the sweet tooth is to consider natural sugars. Dried fruits are natural sugars, and they have been dried to keep them preserved. Dried fruits are readily available, and they are also bioavailable, which means that one can find them almost anywhere you are traveling to. While they might be packed with sugars, these fruits also contain plenty of vitamins and minerals, exactly what you would have found in the firm fruit. However, they can be stored and eaten when you crave them. These fruits are available in all shapes and sizes, and you only need to do some searching for your favorite dried fruit. Finally, dried fruit has something essential to your gut and your overall health. The fiber content seems to be high, which means you will speed up your metabolism while having some satisfaction from your meal. 2. Almond nuts. One of the dieting favorites has always been the trusted almond nut. Almond nuts are low-GI, and they are packed with multiple nutrients to keep you healthy. One of these nutrients is the omega-3 fatty acid, which helps to keep your joints lubricated and improve your brain's cognitive function when used often. You can find salted and unsalted almond nuts, but the salted almond nuts might be high in sodium. The raw almond nuts might not be as tasty as the cooked version of the snack. However, it will be much healthier and have more nutrients. The almond nut is also readily available, but it is also one of the more expensive snacks. 3. Baked zucchini chips. Zucchini is another great vegetable, and it is also one of the most versatile options on the market today. While it can be used in foods to spice them up, you can make plenty of snacks using them. By cutting the zucchini into chips, you can add olive oil. Bake them in the oven for a few minutes, and they should be ready to eat. Much like the other fruits and vegetables, they are high in micronutrients and high in fiber. The fiber combines with the antioxidants in vegetables to clean your gut and speed up your metabolism. The snack can be made ahead of time and packed into bags to use as a healthy replacement for potato chips. 4. Whole grain toast. Toast is not the best part of any diet, but it is not something you should cut out. Whole grain foods are packed full of fiber, and they improve the health of your gut. Aside from all the benefits, whole grain toast is also great for a side dish. If you make some hummus or chickpeas, you can add them to a nice piece of whole grain toast. Making the toast as part of your breakfast routine might allow you to stay full longer and reduce the number of calories you will eventually take in. Of any yogurt or dairy product, Greek yogurt is by far the #1 option for those looking to lose weight. It does not have as much sugar as normal yogurt, and when you buy the fat-free plain Greek yogurt, you will be cutting out many calories that your body does not need and will help you lose weight in the long run. Greek yogurt is high in protein, which aids the growth and recovery of your muscles, while the probiotics help improve your gut's health. The yogurt is full of vitamin B12, helping you stay healthy at the same time. Yes, it might be one of the more expensive options on the market today, but you will get great value for your gut and health. Greek yogurt adds an entirely new dimension to the way you understand food and eating. It can be mixed with any of your nuts and fruits to create some form of muesli. One can even bake and use the yogurt as a form of binding glue for the ingredients. Final words. The Mediterranean diet is one of the most useful and fulfilling diets you can choose. Most of the ingredients and foods are natural and packed full of vitamins and minerals. These are some of the options that we believe will be great for your needs. However, we would like to encourage you to share some of your favorite sweets and snacks on the Mediterranean diet. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for getting latest updates.